Who truly brings you happiness? Imagine if you could spend more time with the people and habits that light you up. What would your life feel like? Are you struggling to balance relationships, work, and personal growth? It's time to shift that and focus on what matters most. Three things that make you a truly happy person. Number one, a deeper understanding of life. Happiness is not just about having it all, it's about knowing what truly fulfills you. Take time to reflect and find your purpose. When you align with what matters, life becomes more meaningful. Number two, strong relationships. Surround yourself with the people who uplift you. Investing in these connections adds richness and joy to your life. Even small moments spent with loved ones can nourish your soul. Number three, positive habits and actions. Take action toward a better you. Adopt habits that serve you, like daily gratitude, regular exercise, and bold step toward your goals. Every step forward is a win. Life is short. Spend more time with those who bring you joy. Discover your purpose and build habits that empower you. Start today. Make your happiness a priority. I invite you to my free webinar, Unleash Your Purpose, Unlock Your Destiny, this Sunday at 7:30 p.m. Click the link in the comments to register now. See you there. Thank you.